Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about virtual data rooms in legal documents management USA focus. Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about virtual data rooms VDRs in legal document management with a focus on the USA. So let's start. Intro. VDRs are secure online repositories for storing and sharing confidential documents. They are widely used in a variety of industries including finance, legal, and healthcare. However, VDRs are becoming increasingly popular in the legal industry as they provide a secure and efficient way to manage shared sensitive legal documents. Benefits of using VDRs in legal document management in the USA. There are a number of benefits to using VDRs in legal documents management in the USA, including security. VDRs use a variety of security features to protect data such as encryption, access restriction, and audit trails. This is especially important in the legal industry where law firms and their clients often store and share highly sensitive documents such as contracts, litigation, filings, and confidential information. Convenience. VDRs can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, making them ideal for remote collaboration. This is especially important in the legal industry where lawyers and their clients are often located in different parts of the country or the world. Cost effectiveness. VDRs are typically more cost effective and traditional document management system as they eliminate the need to rent physical space and hire a staff to manage documents. This is especially important for small and medium-sized law firms which often have limited budget. Efficiency. VDRs can help law firms to streamline their document management process and improve efficiency by providing a center locations to store and share all of their documents. This can help law firms to save time and money on document management. Compliance. VDRs can help law firms to comply with a variety of regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulations GDPR and the California Consumer Privacy Act CCPA. This is especially important in the legal industry where law firms are required to protect their clients' personal data. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.